Kia ora, what's up all you climbers out there? This is the final point of our T-Point series, a guide specifically for you. We're at the end of the public walkway, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to navigate the final tricky section to reach the climbing crag itself. Remember, this area is for climbers only, so please be safe and respectful. T-Point walkway ends here. Bing bang boom. So in terms of climbing, you have two options. You can follow this and go boulder hopping and a potential swim maybe. But there's also a rope access. The rope access, what you're going to do is you're going to go up this hill here, and I'll show you how to get it. Let's go. The tide is super high at the moment. We follow the two places where you can go down. Through down here or along at the fence to near the end. Should we have a look at that one? Yeah. Okay. Ooh. It's on a bit of a lean. No.
See the arch? You see the arch here? It's one of the face climbs facing us. That's a 24. Yeah, it's really, really high.
That's what that looks like. We follow the fence. The boulders and the trees look super cool. You can hear the crickets. Nighttime. Stunner. Wee hee hee hee. There you go. This is what kind of looks like. Around we go. Okie dokie. It's a little bit difficult. Yeah, can you give me a bit of space?
Yeah.
Righty ho. A minor bushwalk. Move that one.
Are you filming this?
Still on track. Guys, it's a little bit overgrown here. Jeepers. Okay. Clearing. Like right there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. There you go. Glory. So you can keep following around. This is the suicide wall.
Yeah, that's a slab up there.
I like slabs. Man. Look at that. Gloryville. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Hello. There's a Fang. The Fang. It's a little bit rough. Oh yeah, stuck on at the moment. One shan't be going there today. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and check out that next video. YouTube thinks it'll be right up your alley.